It's too poofy, the curls. Seems pretty stiff. Back up. Cloud bread. It's so pretty. It's literally like eating a cloud. Hola familia, Busy Mommy here, and today I'm here with a super popular keto recipe. This is cloud bread. Now this was all the rage prior to chaffles and fathead dough. So we're going to go ahead and make this. Since I am going to be making some burgers this week, I wanted to do some bread that was not as thick. My 90-second bread is really great. My 90-second microwave bread is really great for burgers and such, but this time I wanted it to be a little bit lighter since I'm having baked avocado fries with this burger, so I wanted a lighter bread. Well, and also, not gonna lie, I wanted to break out the new mixer because she's so pretty. I need to figure out what to name her. So if you guys can comment below on what I should name my KitchenAid, let me know. But isn't she beautiful though? She really is. Anyway, but I'm gonna go ahead and start out with putting in 4 egg yolks. Now I have separated out the egg whites and the egg yolk. So we're going to put 4 egg whites into the mixer. Now you can use a hand mixer as well. I obviously wanted to play with my new mixer, so I'm gonna do that. To this, I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, or cream of tartar, not sure which way you say it, but it helps with the peaks, because what you want is you want to go ahead and beat this until you get some peaks. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. I'm gonna check it and see where we are with the peaks. Seems pretty stiff, so that's good. Perfect, fluffy like a cloud. So now you're gonna go ahead and take this mixture and you're gonna move it into another bowl while you beat the cream cheese. Go ahead and put the cloud in a bowl. So now we got that. We're going to now add 2 ounces of cream cheese, and I'm going to add a whole teaspoon of garlic powder. I love garlic powder. Then I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And then we're going to raise this up and let it blend a little bit. And while it's blending, I'm gonna add 1 egg yolk at a time to mix it all together. Nice. I'm gonna raise it up a little bit. Perfect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and we're gonna go and mix the rest of our clouds with the egg yolk and make ourselves some cloud bread. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the sink. I like to scrape the sides of the bowl, get all the egg yolk back down. And I'm gonna add the egg whites to this bowl. I wanna do a little bit at a time because I don't want it to lose any of the fluffiness that it has. So we're gonna put in a third of it, but you're going to kind of do like a figure 8, essentially, where you're trying not to lose the fluff, but you're trying to incorporate everything into it, okay? So keep that up until you get everything in there. All right, I'm gonna add the rest. Before I mix this, I'm going to add a little bit of freshly grated Parmesan. Probably ends up being about a little bit under 1/4 cup, so probably like 2-3 tablespoons, probably 2 tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan. I like the freshly grated, it's not as heavy, so I'm gonna keep whipping and mixing. Try to get the egg white mixed with the egg yolks. So this is why I like my 90-second bread, because it takes way less time and you honestly don't have to like really do much. If you want to try that recipe, it's below. I love that recipe. But this is, again, a little bit lighter. That looks pretty good. All right, so I have a larger scoop here. It's probably about 1/4 cup. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it down and pat it. It just makes it easier for me to use this scoop. I get, an even one every time. So you'll probably get about 12 out of this. So I'm gonna do these 6 and then I'll come and do the rest. I'm gonna put these in a 310 degree oven for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna give them a check to make sure they're good. Put them in and take a look. Alexa, set timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
All right, so 26 minutes later, you have cloud bread. It's so pretty. So what I usually do with this is you go ahead and you make a top and a bottom bun. So this recipe makes 12, so it makes 6 buns. You can store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for a few days. They're usually best within about 12 hours of you making them. So if you make them the night before for breakfast, totally fine. Now when they sit for probably about 30 minutes or so, they get more of a bread texture. They get a little bit more bread-like, but they're very, very fluffy, very beautiful as you can see. But we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of cream cheese on one and give it a try. They're so fluffy. Look at the inside. So fluffy. It's literally like eating a cloud. I don't know how else to explain that to you, but honestly, it's not super eggy. I hope you like these. Give them a shot. Let me know what you think, and just enjoy the fluffiness. As always, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what kind of sandwich you want to make. A BLT, a turkey burger like I'm gonna make. As always, peace, love, and keto. Bye. I'm gonna stop recording. I will hit the button when I'm ready.